when I already download the Unreal Engine 5, then I want to export the file from 3ds Max or Revit or Rhino into Unreal Engine. That will be so difficult to export directly from our programs like 3ds Max, Rhino, or Revit, because those programs do not support to export file from those programs to Unreal Engine. So Unreal Engine introduced us a plugin that supports us to export file from other programs like 3ds Max, Revit, and SketchUp, IFC, Rhino 3D. Then we will export from those programs to have files and put that into Unreal Engine will be easier and better. For example, with 3ds Max, we can directly translate a 3ds Max sense, including light, cameras, materials, and geometry, while maintaining familiar scene hierarchy. So the DataSmith Plugin for 3ds Max also converts popular array, corona, and mental array elements into Unreal Engine assets. So it's so easy and convenient for us to import all our files from 3ds Max with light, with elements, and our work from that program into Unreal Engine. So this is the address to better DataSmith plugin. You can find it here. So now we scroll down to and click to get the plugins. There are many options for every program. So there, this is the DataSmith plugin for SketchUp. This one is for Autodesk Revit. Yeah, and for Rhino here, the Graphisoft Architect as well. Yeah, but I am mentioning about Autodesk 3ds Max because I want to export file from 3ds Max directly into Unreal Engine. So I will click here, download. So now I finished downloading Unreal DataSmith plugin, which support for exporting file from 3ds Max into Unreal Engine. So now I click here, click right click, open. Because I am using 3ds Max 2023 and I already installed it into my computer. So if this is the first time that you download DataSmith, there will be a window here. Because I already download and install this plugin into my computer. So it will appear like this, product already installed. So I just click finish. But if you are this is the first time that you download this plugin, there will be a window like this to welcome to Unreal DataSmith Exporter for 3ds Max Setup Wizard. So you just need to click the next button here, and then there will be a window for you to choose which version of Autodesk 3ds Max that you are working with. And it's like here, if you are working with the 3ds Max 2018 and 3ds Max 2016, you can just you can choose both or just one, just which version that you want to install, and then click install. And when it finishes installing, it will be already in your 3ds Max, and you don't need to do anything more. So that's it. It's really simple and easy, right? So thank you for watching.